see.
I see. What are you wearing?
No.
Glasses. Glasses. Can you look into the camera? Look at the camera. Hey. Come look at the camera. She did want to just see you guys, but now I don't know what she's doing. You see her? She's looking at the paintings. Come here. Come say hi. She kept saying camera, camera, so I don't know. I was like, okay, we'll film something since we haven't been doing as much filming lately. Peace? Where's Peace?
Oh no.
Sorry, I'm looking at the screen.
Good.
That's my coexist painting.
Mine.
Come here, come say hi. The lighting in the background is screwing your head up. There's Lila. Do you see yourself right there? Say hi.
Hi.
Do you want to make faces at the camera? Come here. Come here. Can you stick out your tongue? Look it. And give kiss face. Go. That's not kiss face. What? Why did you get shy? Who is that? Is that Peace?
Tree?
Tree? That's a bush, but okay.
Oh.
Are you pretty?
Pig?
Yeah? Mwah. Good job. Do you want to say bye to them? Say bye.
Bye.
Say I love you. Bye. Thanks for watching our retarded videos.
Bye.
Bye. Say see you later.
So,